Alright, on to the next thing to unbox. This one says SmallRig. SmallRig, big dream. Just gonna have that big dream about all this fancy camera equipment and accessories. And it's the eco-friendly box. Small step changes the big world. And there's a barcode sticker thingy for it that I'm sure no one wants to read. So eco-friendly because manufacturing stuff is just so good for the planet. Let me in. Security. Why did it make it so difficult? Alright. Ooh, fancy. Just a big hunk of metal. And it was just over 100 of the dollars just for this bit of metal. And it's gonna go on the fancy camera that's recording this video. Wow, and a tiny little accessory piece to hold it in. And the rest of the box is just a big nothing. Better than having a billion useless manuals and documentation and warranty sheets and all that.